If we wanted to widen this picture, most people would go into Control-T and just try to stretch it out. Well, we're stretching out every single pixel. So a better way to do that is to actually use the crop tool. So it's quick key C. And I'm going to extend my canvas out to the right. So I'm just going to drag it here. And the reason that it filled with black is based on whatever your your background color is. So just keep that in mind. So now when we look at this, we want to fill the black area in with these same pixels here. So we're going to let Photoshop do the work for us. So I'm going to make a selection. I'm going to do it two different ways. If I just select the area that's the area that I want to fill, I can do my Edit Fill and Content Aware Fill. And does a pretty good job. I didn't make the best selection there. But a better method, so I'm going to undo that, is to actually overlap the area. So I'm going to include part of the sunset in all of the black. So I'm just going to start dragging from out here. And if you start past the actual photo, like way up here where my cursor is, and end over here, you will not exclude any pixels here. It will know to snap in. So with this little bit of overlap here, if I do that same command, I'm going to do the shortcut Shift F5, hit Enter to take the Content Aware Fill. You can see here it does a pretty good seamless blend. If there's anything in there that you want to tweak because you see sort of a repeat, you could take your lasso tool and you can just make a loose selection, do a Shift F5, and let it do its thing to sort of blend out some of these little flaws. So there are other ways to do this, but that's the basic idea. When we extend a canvas, we use our crop tool to expand it, then make a selection that overlaps just a little bit, and then edit, fill, and choose your Content Aware Fill. One other method you could do, so I'm going to back this up a little bit, is to try the Content Aware Scale. So that one's a little bit different here. I'm going to back this up even more here. All right, so Content Aware Scale, I'm going to Alt double mouse click to unlock my background. And I'm going to still do my crop tool, extend it out. This is just a different method. And we're going to go to Edit, Content Aware Scale, so not Fill. And then I have my handles here, and we actually don't want to hold the Shift key, and we can grab the middle handle here, and we can stretch this out. Photoshop, if you can see what's going on here, see how it leaves most of the tree intact, but it starts to stretch out the right side branch. So it's guessing here which pixels to expand and basically stretch them out without losing the detail here. So all of this is based upon how large your canvas is, the amount of extra space that you're trying to fill. So you have to do a little bit of trial and error. But you could compare this to the other method that I showed you. There's never one way or another that's better. You just have to be willing to try a couple of different methods to get the best results.